Many factories feel that their machines has worked optimally. The machine is running 24 hours, operators are ready, production targets have been determined. But at the end of the month, the actual target was not achieved. Production costs actually increased. Overtime also increased, and management doesn't know where the problem actually. The question is, are the machines in your factory really working at their maximum capacity? Or is it that you're actually wasting a lot of production time without even realizing it? All of that can be overcome with Smart Factory, integrated intelligent machine monitoring solution. In a factory, the number of machines operating can reach tens or even thousands, hundreds of units, with functions, capacities, and different work characteristics. The more complex the production system, the greater the challenge to ensure every machine works in optimal condition at all times. With Smart Factory, all machines can be monitored in real time and centralized in one integrated system. Smart Factory is built on 3 parts, that is, overall equipment effectiveness, one-stop maintenance solution, warehouse management system. First part, overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, is a production data integration system and machines designed so that factories can 1. View real-time conditions, 2. Analyze production performance, 3. Make decisions based on data, not assumptions. OEE consists of 3 important pillars. A. Availability. Measure how long the machine is actually operating compared to planned production time. For example, if in 8 working hours the machine only runs for 6 hours due to a breakdown, long setup, or waiting for material, then we lose 2 hours of productivity. B. Performance. Measure whether the machine runs at its ideal production speed. The machine may not stop, but if production runs at 5 to 10% slower than the speed it should be, this can interfere with the performance of other machines. C. Quality. Measure the percentage of good products compared to total production. More and more products are rejected, rework, or scrap, then the quality value decreases. For example, when the production machine runs for 8 hours with a target of 1,200,000 pieces. However, due to constraints, in 8 hours only 970 pieces good products could be produced. Part 2. One-stop maintenance solution. OSMS is a monitoring system for monitoring real-time engine health conditions. OSMS is the best solution to prevent sudden engine failure, which can disrupt the production process and the quality of the product. Machines that are rarely maintained, rarely repaired, especially rare machines monitored very vulnerable and making a risk to the health of the machine itself. Therefore, OSMS monitors all machine conditions such as voltage, electrical current, energy, frequency, temperature, vibration. OSMS is also equipped with machine learning, which can predict when the machine will be damaged early and will give a warning if there are any signs damage that started to appear on the machine. How does machine learning work? OSMS, machine learning will collect data condition of the machine when used, and combining the data with recommended service life each part of the machine. With the help of machine learning, all abnormal symptoms in the machine will be detected by this OSMS system. The third part is the warehouse management system. WMS is a digital system for managing warehouse activities in a structured and real-time manner. WMS has benefits such as 1. Provide a warning if the stock is running out or is excessive. 2. Provide information if there are items that will expire soon. 3. Provide detailed information about who, when, and where the item was placed. 4. Provide a report on the list of goods activities, which can be accessed at any time. WMS can be collaborated with automatic storage retrieval system to realize warehouse automation for maximum efficiency results. Don't let your factory run without clear data. Smart Factory is not just a monitoring tool, but rather an investment to ensure every second and every rupiah you spend comes back as maximum profit. Because the factory is competitive, not the hardest working, but the one who works the smartest. Contact CV Vento Engineering immediately. Let's build the future of your industry with Smart Factory.